every single new and working code inside of Grow a Garden. Yo, we have new codes in Grow a Garden, no way. I'm actually gonna redeem every single one of these because I do want to get all these crazy rewards that Yandel is pushing into the code bar. What a good guy. Anyways, go over to your... Wait. I have to open a pack. I have to open these packs because I did craft a bunch of these packs. Let me actually try to get the... Okay. Oh, I don't see it. Is that the... Where's the dragon pepper? Where is it at? What? Oh, okay. Listen. Yandel. Wake up! Come on! So, what is that? A succulent plant! The plant is gonna do what? Oh, no. We don't need that plant, okay? We do not need it. If you open up your code bar right now... Hey, guys, subscribe and like. Let's actually go ahead and show you some codigos. So the last one that I actually seen was wait, what was it again? Lunar 10, like this. This was the last code that I actually what? Come on, please. No. La policía. La policía. Ram. Okay, yeah, if you do need a code, let's see what can we get over here. Summer up. Yandel, is that true? Okay, update. Summer update. Summer update, come on. Wow, debated. So this is probably going to be an upcoming code. It's not going to be out yet, so you have to wait a little bit before actually redeeming this code. But let me try to get the... What's it called? Is that it? Wait, is that it? Crafters. Yeah, this is Crafter's Seedbag, right? Okay, last one. Just give me the... Okay, we didn't get it. Doesn't matter. Because we're crafting more of these packs. Oh, that's how you get the cranberries. I thought, like, how do you even get cranberries? I forgot how this actually works. Oh, that's how you get durians. Wait, durians are pretty cool. Cranberry and durians. I hope we don't actually need the basic seed pack because yeah, I'm using them all. Okay, I'm just using all of these basic seed packs. Let me see what we can get. The next update will be the summer update. Yeah, I'm not gonna open this one because this one is kind of rare. We have to keep this one, but this one is basic. So I mean, basic. It's basic, right? Basic is basic. Come on, craft. Okay, we get another one. Dragons, please. We didn't get it. We got the purple guy fruit. So now we have to craft more. We have to craft even more. What you have to do is to talk to the queen and buy these flower packs. When you have these flower packs in your inventory, when you have these flower packs in your inventory, you can craft these seed crafter packs. And now it's crafting for 20 minutes. Now we wait. Should I open these flower packs? Maybe I get a... So what do I want? I have to choose between two things. I have to choose between... Do I want the sunflower or do I want the pepper? We need to get the pepper though. I low-key think the pepper is better because, yeah, I don't like flowers. I just don't like flowers. Like, these flowers are too big. Like, this is a pepper plant, right? This is a pepper plant. That's pretty cool, right? And then you have the flower plants. Like, what? Like, why is this so big? Like, it's taking up too much space. I'm telling you guys, it's taking up too much space. Like, what do I do with this space? I don't have space on my farm. I have to expand it, but we're not gonna get much space from expanding it. We're gonna get like a half of this like thingy-majiggy. Okay, this one is growing, this one is growing, and this one is growing. Okay. There you go. These are all the codes, guys. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and comment down below pepper.